Let me tell you a story. There was this little girl and her friend that always spoke very loudly and made noises by hitting their chairs or their plates. Due to the noise they made, nobody could hear what others were saying. When they were asked to be quiet, they kept quiet for a second and then continued speaking loudly and banging things against the furniture. They could never go to the movies because they bothered everyone around them, and their parents had to leave the movie theater without even finishing watching the movie. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Wait a minute! What is happening here? I'm not liking this. I don't like this. Do you think what this boy and girl are doing is right? Why don't we discuss the behavior of these children? You probably thought this boy and girl were not behaving very well. This boy and girl should not be so loud. They are always making loud noises that are not very funny. They embarrass their friends and their parents by always making so much noise in restaurants, school, home, and movie theaters. If they continue being so loud and are never quiet, their friends will not invite them to their houses or to the movies. Their parents will be very sad because they will not have any friends. Remember, you do not need to be so loud, and sometimes you need to whisper to not bother others, like when you go to the movies. Remember to lower your voice and not hit things on purpose to make noise. If you are nice to others, you will always feel good about yourself.